So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp chat without any backup, and it is going to be a new method. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your file manager on your mobile and then go over to these three dots and then click on show hidden files. Now click on Android and then click on media, then click on home WhatsApp, then open WhatsApp and then open databases. Once you're in database, what you need to do is select all the files here and then just click on copy. Once you do this, you have to go back to the folder, then go over to backups. Once you're here, just paste all the files you copied before and then restart your phone and then check if your old messages have reappeared again. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.